Greg Sorokin, the business is G&L Staircases Limited, Neath Abbey and Neath. We've been going now for, well, coming up to 14 years in business. I worked as a joiner for my father's company for years, and then we started up a staircase company out of Monastery Road, and then we moved into this factory 2 years ago because we needed space, and so we could increase our production. So we've received support and funding from Neath Talbot Council, the Shared Prosperity Fund and the Neath Talbot Fund as well. That's enabled us then to, for our medium-term goals, that's allowed us to progress with those much quicker than we had sort of anticipated. That's enabled us to increase our output and productivity, and we've created over 10 jobs in quite a short space of time. The Shared Prosperity Fund has enabled us to reduce our carbon footprint and drastically reduce our waste. We've managed to purchase solar panels and a biomass boiler. Further in the year we'll be purchasing a biomass boiler which will reduce our waste drastically, and with ever increasing energy bills, the solar panels have been excellent. The funding has also enabled us to rescue a local company by purchasing machinery, and we've managed to rescue 6 staff members from that company. That's enabled us then to start up a new venture which will enable us to go into new markets, supplying high-end bespoke interior furniture such as kitchens, bathrooms, boot rooms, and that'll enable us to be like a one-stop shop for internal furniture. So we've got high-end bespoke internal furniture and staircases, and this will also allow us to support local businesses by increasing our purchasing of materials. We always try and use local small businesses as and where we can. Without Neath Talbot Council and the Shared Prosperity Fund, we wouldn't have been able to make these enhancements and investments into G&L Staircases, and we're really looking forward to working with them in the future and to see where the company can take us.